Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what Microsoft Teams and show you around a little bit of what it is. Microsoft Teams is a way to communicate with your students with homework assignments. You can give homework assignments and then they can do those things online with their computer, with their one-to-one machine, and with a desktop application. You can also share files with one another. And you can also grade with that and give feedback to students. Students can give feedback to you. You can do all your assignments with Microsoft Teams. Also, you can collaborate and create teams for teacher teams. You know how you have Team Raptors, you have Team this, you have Team that, you have Group this, you have Group that. You can use Microsoft Teams to communicate with other teachers with Microsoft Teams. That way you can share files and collaborate with one another with that way. Instead of having the OneDrive, instead of your OneDrive it says share with me, this is a good way to have everything combined in one area, Microsoft Teams. So what we have here is when you log in Office 365 and Microsoft Teams, you have tabs on the left. You have the Activity tab. This will show you some notifications here that you could use for activities. Next is the chat. Now the chat is like a Skype for Business or a PO Mounties chat that you can use. It's not the chat that you can go into your assignments. That's different. So this is a way to find somebody that's online and you can Skype them. Next, you have Teams. Teams is where you create teams. You can think of as a team as a class. You can name a team your class, what you have for your semester or your term or for the year. Even for groups, instead of if you wanted to create a group, say you have group work inside your class and you have 3 groups, you can create groups and name those groups, and then those kids can be part of that team, and then they can work together on it. And then you can, as you as an instructor, can see what's going on within that group. Next, you have meetings. The meetings is what's on your calendar. The students do not see what's on your calendar. It's what you have on your calendar. Now, when kids log in and teachers log in, kids will see what's going on with their meetings. They say there was a course that would need to be done, work that needs to be done. All that information will be given on under meetings and what the agenda is for today, so they know what's happening. They can also schedule a meeting too as well. Next, you have files. On the left, you will see that you have files from your OneDrive, some ones that you've downloaded, some files that you recently accessed, and they are all here in Teams. And the last one, which is what we're going to be focusing on, is assignments. This is where you can go in and create assignments, modify assignments, schedule assignments for students. This is where you can go in and see the students' work and communicate back and forth with your students. And also, this is where you can go in and grade and get feedback from students and hand stuff back and forth. Instead of handing paperwork back in and having stacks of paperwork, this is what would cover and take place for your for all the electronic paperwork that would be submitted through teacher and student. So that is an overall summary of Microsoft Teams. So next video, I'm going to show you how to create assignments, create teams, assign members to teams, and different things. So hang tight, and thanks for watching this video.